investment banking and equity research, because that is directly related to giving recommendation or buy or sell. Alright, now why mentor me, right? So the 4 things that I could come up with to tell you about my course would be: one is the NSE certification. So it has got an inbuilt preparation for the NSE certification. We offer about 200 hours of live learning, so the learning does not stop in class. It extends to the community, the assignments, and also offline mentoring which happens during the week, right? Flexi pass, because you can attend multiple sessions. We do not just let you in for one batch and then ask you to pay for all the other sessions. And third is industry trainers. All the trainers who will be teaching you are people who are actually working in research, who've had experience in the investment finance industry. And finally, why us? We have trained close to about 170 students. You can check our Google rating, our reviews, and our trainers have trained close to about 3,000 students across college. So that's what financial modeling is, and that's what the financial modeling course at Mentor Me will give you. And I'll leave you with our slogan, which is to give unbiased, honest career advice and career options to students.